In this video, you're going to learn how to set up a link tree on your Instagram bio, which lets you add multiple links on Instagram. As well as at the end, we're going to be talking about if you even should be using Linktree, or if you should be using one link, or if there's something else that you could be doing to add multiple links to your bio section. So stay tuned till the end. Hi there, my name is Christina Spoor. If you're returning, I am so glad you're back. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss a new video on Tuesday and Friday. And make sure you hit the like button so that way this video gets love and boosted up so others can see it and learn how to add a Linktree bio into their Instagram. All right, so let's dive in and learn how to set up a link tree in your Instagram bio so you have multiple links that people can click on. Okay, so in order to create Linktree and add it to your Instagram, you'll go to linktr.ee and then you'll come to a page like this and you'll create your account, and then it'll come and look like this. You can see I actually used this in the past. Now I actually like to use my bio link that I created on my website. And you can see that I actually here just use 3 links. Of course, you can add more links. So let me just do test, add a URL, and then you can see that it's just added. So it's just a simple way to add multiple bio links on Instagram. So Linktree is one way that you can do this. All right, so now that you learned exactly step by step how to set up your Linktree bio, let's talk about should you be using it. Honestly, it's up to you. If you want to have multiple links, if you have multiple options for people to click on, then yeah, I would definitely be using Linktree bio. Actually, when I started out online, I didn't have the link bio that I have now. I actually used Linktree bio. And then once I learned how to actually set up the bio link on my website using my domain name so it looks a little more professional, that's when I actually switched doing it and created my link bio on my website. And if you're wanting to learn how to do this, I actually do show you how to do this in the Instagram Growth and Momentum course. I have a whole section on bios and call to actions and things you should be putting in the bio. So make sure you go check out that course if that's something that you are interested in and that would benefit your business. Okay, I want to hear from you, and I'm curious, where are you sending people to in your Instagram bio link, and how many places are you able to send them to? Do you have a website? Do you have a YouTube channel? Do you have a Facebook group? Do you want to list your products? What is it that you want to be doing with these with Linktree to add multiple links in your bio section? Leave them in the comments below. All right, so that's it for how to set up Linktree on Instagram. So make sure you like this video if you learned exactly how to do that, and that way it also helps and can get shared with other people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video on every Tuesday and Friday. And I hope you have a fantastic day, evening, whenever you are watching this. And I will see you in next video, Friday, which will be talking about how to grow your small business on Instagram. And I'm actually giving you 4 ways and 4 tips that I like to use, the process I like to use in order to grow my Instagram account. All right, so stay tuned for that.